After 4 whole months in LA, we are finally leaving. We are heading north. We are gonna be tackling the Big Sur drive, something I've been looking forward to for a very long time. But I should scoot over because we all know I'm not gonna be the one driving.
Let's get this show on the road, baby.
We're Denise and Reed, and we have been traveling full-time in our self-converted van for the last 3 years. After an unexpected van breakdown in LA, we finally got the part we needed, and now we're back on the road. Today's video starts in Morro Bay, before we start one of the most scenic drives in America.
The water is very clear here.
I would love for us to kick out the paddleboard, but we're trying to get to the start of our Big Sur drive later today, so we're not going to spend too much time here. But Morro Rock is massive. I am an amateur birder. It is something that I am striving to become, so this is a perfect place for us because this is a bird sanctuary.
All you gotta do is look up.
This is somewhere that we could have spent the entire day, but we gotta keep going because we got places to be. This is such a pretty drive.
We just made it to San Simeon, which is the southern start point of Big Sur. I hear it only gets better. Denise said, hey, make a right. There's this castle over here. So we're gonna check out this castle. What is it called? Hearst Castle?
Hearst Castle. I don't know too much about it, but you can take tours inside and it's supposed to be this gorgeous castle. A lot of people say it should be something you do all day. We're gonna just take an hour or two here. We found a shady spot to park in the back of the lot.
This is the peasant's point of view. Peasant's point.
Way over there is the castle. What would you give to swim in this pool? That is one incredible pool. So this was a much faster visit than we anticipated.
Yeah, we just pulled in. We didn't know if it cost or anything. Turns out it's $30 a person to take a bus up to the castle and have a full-on tour, as well as get access to the 40-minute feature film documenting the whole process.
If you're interested, check it out. But we're gonna keep going because we want to get to the elephant seals.
They're sleeping harder than Bella out there.
Very cute to see them all cuddled up. This was a place that people would camp and they'd park here and then they'd hike down and camp on the beach. But now they're saying no camping and campfires are prohibited in this area.
Looks like a beautiful place to sleep. But yeah, I think people abused it, so now for the next 2 years it's gonna be closed.
Okay, looks like I could take a nap in here, honestly. What a special little fortress. I love it. I just feel happy and excited to be on the road again. There's no better feeling than feeling rejuvenated, well rested again, and knowing that there is so much opportunity ahead of you, and I don't exactly know what the next couple months is gonna look like for us, but I am really looking forward to it. All right, let's go find Reed. He's somewhere around here. We'll go that way.
What's up?
It's so warm here.
It's relaxing. Yeah, no, that's why I sat here, because this rock was warmed up.
I like that rock.
You're a rock girl.
Yeah, I want to inspect it.
Inspect it.
I'm gonna go check out this rock. It's pretty cool looking and I want to know more. I could climb that easily. Should I do it? I kind of want to. I'm gonna do it. There's Reedy, right there.
She's crazy. What is she doing up there?
Look at incredible. It is gorgeous out here. What do you think? Should we cross?
I don't know, man. It looks pretty deep.
It's not. It's kind of warm. It's not cold.
It's pretty freaking cold, man.
No, it's
what are you
not.
talking about? Give me a cold shock.
A cold shock? Oh my goodness. This is dramatic now. Oh, it does get pretty deep. My leggings, I'm gonna have to change. It's up to my butt. Yeah, that was deeper than I thought though. It almost went up to my waist. Isn't it kind of cozy though?
Yeah.
It blocks some of the wind.
You could close me in and set this bad boy on fire.
What? I don't know, folks. I don't know half the time what he's alluding to, what he's talking about. Let's just get back to the car.
We had a great night's sleep here. I don't know where exactly we're at. We're about an hour and a half from Big Sur. You can get a $1,000 fine if you sleep on the one, and we saw people that looked like they were gonna try it, but we weren't gonna risk it. We are getting closer to Yosemite. We're gonna go through Fresno and a couple other places today, and we're gonna meet up with somebody very special to us. What do you say, Denise?
Ready to go?
Let's do this. It's a good day whenever we're breaking this baby out.
What are we up to today?
Put Bella in her life jacket and go paddleboarding around Bass Lake here near Yellowstone, Yosemite.
Our plan is to actually meet up with my mom tomorrow. She and her boyfriend Ed rented a cabin nearby. We're spending the day here before we meet up with them. I need to get changed. This is not a swimsuit. And I gotta do my hair. It's been one of those mornings. And then we're gonna get Bella out on the water as well. Right, Bubs? You already got in the water? How was it? She's back on it. Oh! She's like, I don't know about that.
Water feels great, it's not too cold. What's up?
Oh my goodness, right away. Get up there. Oh, good job. Oh, she's getting hyped.
Oh yeah, she took it out.
Oh. Eat it.
Bass Lake, I love you. Woo! I feel alive, baby.
What do you think, Billy? What do you think?
Beach days rock.
I'm looking forward to seeing my mom. As I said, this was kind of an unexpected meetup. I'm really proud of her because she's been traveling more than she has in years. She's in her 70s, and to see her out there living life, adventuring, exploring is a really cool thing to be able to witness. Woo-hoo! That felt so good getting out there. I would consider today a successful day.
More than a success, that was amazing.
It was needed.
I feel like that good tired from being in the sun for a long time, you know? And that sun drain, I need to hydrate.
And see my mom!
Yes, that part. Do you need a ride? Are you hitchhiking?
Yeah, let's go.
Hello!
So good to see you. Bye. Wait till you see this place.
I know, it looks amazing. It looks amazing.
Reed.
Oh, how you doing?
Say hi to our YouTube, Mama.
Come on, Rita. Hi, guys. Oh, you almost closed your head in the door. What the hell?
Rita, are you coming in right now? Okay. Rita's coming. We are at our first pull-off in Yosemite, and it is absolutely gorgeous, very loud, very busy street, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty out here.
I don't like to stand near the edge. That's what I think. But there's a waterfall right there. You see it? It's a tiny little one.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be going right into that valley very shortly. We are at the Bridal Veil Falls trailhead here. You can almost feel the mist from here. The Bridal Veil Falls is 620 feet, and it normally doesn't flow very strong. It looks like it's raging right now. So I can climb this?
Try. We'll just turn it off now.
When I looked up this trailhead, the first review was a 1-star review, and I don't know why. They must have been a Scrooge, because this is amazing. This mist is coming down. I mean, I'm getting hit right now, and we're still far away. It's just now, the first bits of mist have just hit my face.
It's like we're getting rained on. Reed said it's like Niagara Falls. You can't even really see the falls, and I'm in a downpour.
Oh, it's coming down!
We're soaked.
Pretty cool, guys.
Who would need coffee if you just go there every morning and get blasted by the mist? That'll wake you up.
We have sandwiches, we're about to eat. This is the view we have. Take a look at this. Absolutely incredible.
We are getting all packed up here. Our time has come to an end. It's been a lovely 4 days. It's been rejuvenating being in the forest, seeing Yosemite. It's definitely a trip we'll always remember.
So great. I love you so much.
This has been fun. Summer trip 2024 in the book.
Oh my God, I'm gonna be famous.
They're gone.
I'm sad to see them leave.
I know, it's always bittersweet.
Yeah.
But this was a lot of fun, 4 days together. And now we're leaving. We're gonna finish packing up and get out of here.
Time to start heading north, back on the road again.